Hi, my name is Anthony Huang. Today I will be informing our audience about global warming and debate whether or not many changes in the environment are a result of global warming. Something is causing the average global temperature to rise, which in turn is causing the melting of glaciers, causing flooding. Do you care about the Earth and your environment? The topic of discussion is global warming, and its possible effects are increased temperature of atmosphere, flooding where there are near bodies of water, and decreased supply of water in places where people experience drought. We are all affected by this situation, and one day your children will have to deal with this situation. Today we do not know if global warming is a major cause of changes on Earth, but would you want to find out? Something is causing the environment around us to change, and it's affecting every living thing on Earth. I have researched the issues of global warming and have found out as much as I possibly can in order to deliver an informative speech about global warming. Global warming is an extremely important topic to me because knowing whether or not it is causing all these negative changes in the environment is crucial for us. It can keep us safe and protected now and in the future. The environment is clearly one of the most essential parts of our daily lives. Studying global warming requires extensive research and understanding, and I feel that today I will be able to share this information with all of you. The simplest definition for global warming on zfacts.com is gradual increase in the Earth's surface temperature. Firstly, I would like to debate whether greenhouse gases are causing global warming or not. I would like to define the term greenhouse gases. According to the freedictionary.com, definition of greenhouse gases are any of the atmospheric gases that contribute to the greenhouse effect by absorbing infrared radiation produced by solar warming of the Earth's surface. They include carbon dioxide, methane, and nitric oxide and water vapor. Although greenhouse gases can naturally occur in the atmosphere, the elevated levels, especially of carbon dioxide and methane, have been observed in recent decades, are directly related, at least in part, to human activities such as burning of fossil fuels and the deforestation of tropical forests. Burning of fossil fuels process includes emissions from driving cars or using electricity in your house. Now, I would like to debate on the side that greenhouse gases are causing the global warming. Now I'd like to debate on the side that greenhouse gases are causing global warming. According to NASA, greenhouse gases do make some places on Earth warm up, but some places do not warm up on Earth. Places where fossil fuels are burned will have hotter temperatures. Places where fossil fuels are burned will have very little temperature change over time. In its recent release of the fourth assessment report, the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, a group of 1,300 independent scientific experts from countries all over the world under the support of the United Nations concluded there's more than 90% probability that human activities over the past 250 years have warmed our planet. The greenhouse gases that significantly increase the temperature on Earth is CO2, which is carbon dioxide. Another greenhouse gas that significantly increases the temperature on Earth is methane, which assists in greenhouse gases. This concludes that there is a chance that greenhouse gases will change the temperature on Earth permanently because of the majority of greenhouse gases do not leave our Earth's atmosphere. What we do know is that greenhouse gases are polluting the air and is affecting how we breathe in some countries where there are more greenhouse gases than other countries. Now I'd like to debate on the side that greenhouse gases is not causing the global warming. Greenhouse gases have been present on Earth since the existence of civilization. Greenhouse gases help the Earth trap the sun radiation to warm up the environment. Some greenhouse gases are beneficial to the environment because it helps balance temperatures in the atmosphere. According to NASA, once again, when the Earth warms up, other planets in the solar system also warm up. According to the study, it may not be global warming, but just a normal planetary warm-up. All the planets of the solar system consist of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. This concludes that the amount of greenhouse gases does not matter because our other planets have less greenhouse gases on Earth than Earth, while other planets are still warming up. Now, I would like to debate on my second point, which whether global warming is causing the temperature to rise. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Control has also concluded that the global temperature will rise by 2 to 11.5 degrees Fahrenheit by the year 2100. This source predicts that in the near future we can see a temperature rise due to global warming. The IPCC, which is the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Control, is an organization set up by the United Nations and the World Meteorological Organization. According to the World Meteorological Organization, these past couple of years have been one of the hottest years on record, dating from 2000 to 2008, the years. The WMO is an organization set up to record temperatures annually and has accurate statistics on temperatures and other weather-related issues. This statistic shows that there has been recent rising temperatures hotter than in the past. This statistic also says that global warming has been shown to occur in this decade. Now, I would like to change sides and debate on the sides of global warming is not causing the temperature to rise. Scientist and writer H.L. Mencken states that global warming is just a political plan to get the attention of worried citizens. He states that global warming is just a hoax. Temperatures have gone up and down in the past 200 years, and there is no direct pattern of where, when it will occur. This is an expert testimony that states that our Earth is just experiencing warmer temperatures now, and there may be a drop in temperature a couple years from now. According to another source, he's a scientist, his name is Thomas Hoffman, who would like to be able to control the temperatures if global warming is real. The expert testimony concludes that if Mother Nature would allow us to be able to control the temperature if global warming was real. If global warming was real, we would simply just pollute the air with more greenhouse gases to have warmer temperatures. He concludes that we cannot predict and control the temperature on Earth, and this is the natural cause for temperature to change over time without any causes by human activity.
So you have to come to an end. You're over 7 minutes.
Now I'd like to debate whether global warming is causing the melting of glaciers in return causing floods. I debate on the side that global warming is causing the melting of glaciers in return causing flooding to occur. We do know that for glaciers to melt, there must be a rise in temperature for this to happen. In many parts of the world, glaciers are melting and the mass is gradually getting smaller. Some of these places that have glaciers melting are Himalayas and Alaska. Glaciers melting can cause permanent flooding in these areas.